In this video, we look into the problem reverse bits. The question is reverse bits of a given 32 bits unsigned integer. So they are given that the integer length is 32 bits and it's an unsigned integer. So you just have to reverse the bits. So these examples are quite long. So let's take a simple example and see what we have to do. Okay. So the problem is reverse bits. So let's take 4-bit number for example. So okay, 1010. Cool. What I have to do is the output should be 0101. So this 0, which is at the rightmost, has to go for the leftmost, and next this from the second from the right has to go to second from the left. This 0, which is third from the left, right, has to go to third from the left. Sorry, this one, and this is which is at the fourth from the left has to go to fourth from the right. Right. Okay. So yeah, so if you see, if you have doubt about getting and setting the bits at any position, then go to the previous videos in the bits. So where it is I mean the basic videos, where getting and setting and clearing of the bits is explained. So if you say this, what we can say is that, so I can have a result initialized with 0, and I can start from here. I'll get the 0th bit from right. So how do you get do an AND operation with the mask, and in this case it is 0001. So that time I get this bit. So and then I set it to the rightmost bit here. So then I'll get the bit that is there here with this mask, and then set it to this bit here. So setting the bit you do using OR operation, which is explained in the basic bit manipulation videos on setting, getting and clearing the bits. So then you go to here. So for that you'll make this mask as okay, let's not worry about it. So you get this bit and then set this bit to this, and you get this bit and set it in this position. So something like this. From here you go, from the right you go on getting the bits, and from left you go on setting the bits. So this is one way of doing it, so which is straightforward way of doing it, and this would take a little more number of operations. Okay, so we should be asking, can we do something better? So if we see this pattern here, so we go on going from right to left here, and we are setting this from left to right, right? So also what I can do is I can have this 000 here initialized, and I get this bit, right, 0. So then I'll set this bit. So now that I need not care about this bit, so I shift this entire thing to right. So that will make this a 0101. And this one, after setting it, I'll make it left, so that it goes in, when you go to the entire sequence, it will be in the right position. So again, left shifting this will give 0 again, so I won't do it here. So now again I'll get the rightmost bit. So how do you get the rightmost bit? You do AND with 0001. So now I can get this rightmost bit and set this bit. So how do you set this? You do, when you do AND with 0001, so the result will again be 0001. So and then you do an OR with this. So that time this bit gets set. So this getting and setting the bits is cleanly explained in the other videos, so you can go through that. So now I got this bit, right? So but again since I have processed this, I'll shift this to left. So here I get 0 and this goes here. So then I'll go to this. So this I have processed this bit, so I'll shift this to right. So it becomes like this. So now I'll see get this bit, and this bit I have to set it here. So it's already 0, so it gets set with 0. So once I set this, I can shift this again. So that becomes this. And this I have processed this, so I shift it to right. So now I get this 1, right? So I have to get this bit and set it here. So this is how you can do it. And then this when rotated it gives 0. So this will be the answer. So you go on shifting this given input to right, get the rightmost bit and set it to the result, and keep on shifting the result. So this way you can optimize this. I mean, it takes a little bit of less number of operations. though the complex it is. So if you see here, so since there are 32 bits, I would be going through this 32 times. So I'm doing this operation first here, left shift. So this is just to avoid this condition when it hits 32, I mean 31. So then I have to shift it but not do AND. So to avoid this, I'll do this shift first. And then I'll get the bit at the units place of the given number, and I'll set this to the result. So if you're not clear what this is happening, so you can watch the getting setting and clearing the bits video where this is detailed explained. And once you set this bit, then no need care about that bit. So I'll shift n to the right by 1. So let's run this code. Yeah. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe this to get more updates, and share among your friends and help us reach out more people. Thank you.